right. Hey, everybody. I'm Robert Guest. I'm here with Jose Noriega, and we're going to talk about what is Penalty Group 1 in Texas. Now, Jose, can you tell the audience what is Penalty Group 1? What does it mean? What does it apply to? What are we talking about?
So Texas has spread out kind of what the penalty groups are for certain drugs and medications and things of that nature. But penalty group one is basically like kind of your hardcore drugs in Texas's opinion. And so you've got, kind of your heroin, morphine, opiates, cocaine, PCP, meth, rohypnol, ketamine, GHB. And then there's a ton others that we have really no idea. They're not kind of normal street drugs that you would see, or I mean, heck, they may be, but just looking at the list, and off the top of my head, I do not recognize any of them. So that's kind of it. But there's a lot on the list, and they carry some severe consequences.
So, let's say the three most common? I would say methamphetamine one, cocaine, heroin.
Yep.
Morphine, heroin. Well, let's see morphine, but opiates maybe. Now, let's talk about the punishment ranges, which are all done by weight, right? And we're talking the metric system, which we're not great at in America, but the most common by far possession felony in Texas is state jail felony, which is less than 1 gram. Now, state jail used to be notorious for being day for day, no parole. They've kind of changed that with this diligent participation credit, but it's up to 2 years is the punishment range.
Yep.
So that's for less than 1 gram. Now,
it's 6 months to 2 years, and then it kind of gradually increases. So for 1 gram to 4 grams, it's 2 to 10 years. A third degree felony from 4 grams to 200 grams, it's 2 to 20 years. A second degree felony from 200 to 400 grams, it's first degree felony. So 5 to 99 years, or 400 grams or more, it can be what we would call a super felony, so 10 years to 99 or life. It's not to say that there's not other options available, depending on history and circumstances and what's going on. But legally speaking, and any judge would admonish you or someone based on those numbers.
So if you have a question about penalty group 1 or possession cases in Texas or the range of punishment, give us a call, Guest and Gray, 972-564-4644, or look us up on the web at
guestandgray.com.
Guest and Gray. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.